This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Swiss chard Indian style. We're going to explore a fantastic way to transform this nutritious leafy green into a flavorful and aromatic dish that will delight your taste buds. This recipe is not only simple to follow, but also brings a wonderful, healthy addition to your meal rotation. Get ready to add some exciting new flavors to your kitchen. To begin, you'll need 1 bunch of fresh Swiss chard, looking vibrant and crisp. For our aromatic base, gather finely chopped onion, garlic, and ginger. The heart of our Indian flavor comes from spices such as mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, and a pinch of red chili powder for a gentle warmth. Don't forget a little cooking oil or ghee and a fresh lemon for that perfect finishing touch. 5, 6, 7. First, thoroughly wash your Swiss chard and chop it into bite-sized pieces, keeping the stems and leaves separate as the stems take a little longer to cook. 1. Heat a few tablespoons of oil in a pan, then add mustard and cumin seeds, allowing them to splutter. 5. Next, sauté the chopped onion, garlic, and ginger until fragrant. Add the chard stems, cook for a few minutes, then add the leaves and spices, cooking until tender. 1, 2, 8. Your delicious Indian-style Swiss chard is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot as a vibrant and healthy side dish alongside your favorite main course. It pairs beautifully with steamed rice, warm naan bread, or even a simple dal. 1, 2. Feel free to adjust the spice levels to your liking. A little extra red chili powder can add a wonderful kick. This simple yet flavorful dish is a fantastic way to incorporate more greens into your diet. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.